In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access data from other forms within Wpforms. This can be incredibly useful if you want users to fill out multiple forms without having to re-enter their information. We'll walk through the entire process, so by the end, you'll be able to seamlessly transfer information from one form to another. Let's dive in. First, we need to enable the Prefill by URL feature in your form settings. To do this, open up your WordPress dashboard and head over to Wpforms. Click on All Forms from the menu there. We're going to start by editing the second form, which we'll refer to as Form 2. Once you're in the editor for Form 2, navigate to the Settings tab on the left side, then click on General. Here, you'll find an option to Enable Prefill by URL. Simply toggle this feature on. This functionality allows Form 2 to accept and autofill information based on the data passed through the web address, making the process of accessing data from other forms smooth and efficient. Next, let's set up your first form, or Form 1, which will act as your source form. You can create a new form or edit an existing one, depending on your needs. The key step here is to utilize the confirmation settings after a user submits Form 1. You want to configure this so that after a user submits their information, they are redirected to the page where Form 2 is located. This redirection is crucial as it forms the bridge between your two forms. As part of the redirection, you'll include query parameters in the URL, which will contain the data collected in Form 1. These parameters essentially serve as little packages of information, neatly bundled in the web address, ready to be unpacked by Form 2. Now, as you work on setting the confirmation redirection in Form 1, ensure that you append the necessary query parameters to the URL. Each parameter represents a piece of data from Form 1, like a user's name or email address, for instance. You must format these correctly, adhering to URL syntax. That means combining your base URL with each parameter using a question mark followed by key value pairs connected by equal signs, and separating multiple pairs with ampersands. With these steps completed, you've effectively linked your forms so that Form 2 can prefill information previously captured in Form 1. This structure saves users from the hassle of entering repeated data, streamlining their experience and enhancing usability significantly. Don't forget to test your setup to confirm everything is functioning smoothly. Submit a test entry through Form 1 and ensure data flows seamlessly into Form 2 as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed data from other forms within Wpforms, setting up a dynamic and user-friendly interaction. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Wpforms in upcoming videos.